Hey, you guys. If there's ever a day where it's literally me, it's literally me. I'm funny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Yes, I have naked face on, so I'm sorry. It's 6:33 in the morning. I'm getting ready for work. I thought maybe we could do a little like fast get ready with me and go through some of the products that I ordered here and then review some of the products I got at the last sale. I promise I will try and make it quick because who the fuck is sitting through like a 30-minute getting ready video? So what do you say we do that? I have my eye serums on, my facial moisturizer. We're just gonna jump right into some primer. Dr. Brandt mattifying primer today because I have combination skin. As far as concealer goes, I did buy the little mini nude sticks at the last Sephora sale. The formula is good, the coverage is okay, it's like just enough and everything. The problem is I got the wrong color. This is definitely a little bit too dark to be like a brightener concealer. As a brightener, it's just not for me. And plus, it's a really messy. I don't know why, but like the way the wand is designed, ooh, I don't know. When you put it back in, some of the product like spooges out and I don't know. I did go to Sephora store to return some things from that sale and I asked them about this. And I was like, I really do want to try another color. And I asked the woman at the counter where this is located inside the store. And she was like,
yeah, it's like difficult to find. It's like over there under like that brown thing.
And I was like, all right, thanks. And so then I walked over and I couldn't find it. And I'm like, look, I'm spending my hard-earned money in here. If you don't want to wait on me hand and foot, then I'm out. So I just left. What we're gonna try today for concealer purposes is I ordered this Smashbox Becca Under Eye Brightening Concealer. Now I purchased this because I just typed in Google best under eye brightening concealer for mature skin. This was on an article from, you know, somebody that was supposedly really well known, and they said that this stuff was like a holy grail for brightening the under eye, especially for mature skin. The shade range is really limited, so I had to get Fairlight because after that it goes way dark, and that was the problem I had with the nude sticks. That's kind of what it looks like. We are actually just gonna try and slap some of this stuff on and see if it works. They said like a little goes a long way, so I'm just gonna tap it in. It definitely is brightening. It has a little bit of a sheen. Maybe that's what I need. Because if you can see, I have really dark under eye circles. Okay. Wow, I do think that that really did brighten my eyes. First application, it did brighten it up. Pretty happy with that. Maybe I'll let you know in a future video if it creases or the longevity or whatever. I'm just gonna like spot conceal really quick because I've got like some hormone issues going on right here, some shit like that. Just gonna go in with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer. All right, moving into foundation. I did purchase the Best Skin Ever Sephora brand during the sale because it was 30% off. Because normally I use the Catrice HD mattifying foundation, but I did want to try something that was like a little bit lighter, like a no makeup look or whatnot. This is a pretty nice foundation for around 20 bucks. I think that it looks really nice on my skin, like in the beginning. Once it like settles in, adheres and joins with my skin, it actually looks pretty good. However, I do have to say that the longevity of it for me is really not there. I would say you can get maybe a max of 6 hours out of this because I found that at the 8 to 12 hour, it starts to lift and then you can like see it sitting on my skin. I'm not mad at this foundation. Would I buy it again? For $20, yeah, I would buy it again because for like a no makeup day, it is good for me. But like I said, it starts to separate after about the 5 to 6 hour mark. Overall, I do feel like a natural finish where like some of my imperfections are like showing through for like, you know, just a natural look, it is pretty good. Moving into powder, I bought the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil from Ulta during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. I have been using this for years, but then I switched over to the Hourglass setting powder. There's nothing wrong with this for the price that I paid for it, but I have realized that after using the Hourglass is just like a little bit of a better product. But just for the sake of using products that I bought during the sales, we are just gonna slap this on real quick. I zoomed you guys in a little bit, but like, see, you can see it's like kind of nice and dispersed, and I'm trying to go for like that natural look. My under eyes do look a little bit brighter than they were. You know, I can't hope for miracles. I'm like in my mid 40s. What are you gonna do? Okay, next I'm gonna do my brows, and this is nothing that I bought during the Sephora sale, so I'm just gonna do it off camera really quickly. You probably saw my video on the eye method eyebrow stamp, and I'm just loving this technique right now, so I'm just gonna do this off camera real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I like love that method right now. It's like super quick. I get a good shape. I don't have to worry about like penciling, all that stuff. All right, we're gonna move on to bronzer. Everybody remembers I got the Gucci bronzer as a treat to myself, and I actually really do like this stuff. It smells amazing. A little bit goes a long way. However, when I went and returned some other things that I bought during the sale, I actually picked up like this little mini Fenty bronzer kit. It came with this bronzer stick, and it also came with this little mini compact of a matte bronzer called Shady Biz. I like it just as much. These are the two that I'm switching in between each day. This one has a little bit more of a red finish, and this one just kind of has like a more natural glow finish. I actually like both of these equally, but just for today, we're gonna go ahead and put the Gucci on for you. This stuff is like pigmented. It was a lot of trial and error when I was first putting it on, because I would like stick my brush in it, and then like the place that I patted was like, I couldn't blend it out. It was like, so I have to go in with like a really light hand, and then I kind of have to just like pat. So you see, like I barely touched it. So I'm just gonna like, just like kind of set it on there. It smells so luxurious. Like it feels like you're putting something really expensive on, and you kind of are. My cheekbone is really sharp right there, so that's why it's looks like that. Like I'll lay like a little bit of it down, and then I'll go in with like a really soft brush and kind of like blend it out. Like that's the best way that I have found to use this particular product, because it's like really pigmented, but like look how pretty. It's like definitely like a very nice little sun-kissed glow. You know, I paid like $62 or something for it, but Lord, this will last me forever. Nothing that I bought at the sale, but I'm just gonna throw on some neutral. This is a Give Me Glow palette that I made. I'm just gonna throw on some neutral eyeshadow base. And then I'm just gonna go in a tiny bit with this deeper color, just to give a little bit of dimension, super quick. Okay, back to one of the items that I did buy at the Ulta sale during the Sephora Ulta haul. I bought this Stila liquid eyeliner in the shade Midnight. So it's like a blue color. I'm just gonna throw this on really quick. Ugh, that is exactly what I was afraid of. I used to love the Stila eyeliners. I got one in like a FabFitFun box a long time ago, and I was like, oh my God, where has this been all my life? And ever since then, I always bought them, but they dry out so fast. So what, I had this for like a month and a half, and it's dry. I probably won't buy another Stila eyeliner again. I mean, granted, I got these for 50% off, but oh God, they don't last. They don't last. And another thing that I did not buy at either of these sales, but is a holy grail for me, is the Tarte Man Eater mascara. Now, I did buy that Lancome Idol mascara during the Sephora sale, and I returned it. It just wasn't for me. Even though the brush was like really skinny, it like made my lashes like daggery, and I'm not really into that. So that went back, and I am just sticking with my normal man-eater mascara. However, I am always open to trying new mascaras that I get in like the Ipsy bags and stuff. All right, the final thing for this look for today is lips, and back to the Sephora box. When I ordered all this stuff, I got to pick a free item, and so I went ahead and picked my first Charlotte Tilbury. I don't own and I've never used any of Charlotte Tilbury items, but they had a little matte lipstick as a free purchase. I think if you spent like 35 bucks, which no problem. Look how cute this thing is. So this is a Matte Revolution Luminous Modern Matte Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. Look how cute that is. Oh, that's cute. It has like a cupcake scent. That glided on pretty well. It feels really good. I'd be interested to try some of her other colors. But yeah, that feels pretty good on the lips, so that was good. All right, I'm gonna go off camera and put my hair down and just finish that up, and then I will come back and we're just gonna go through some of these things in the box. So hold please. Okay, I'm back. What a transformation, right? From when you first joined the video to now. And you saw I didn't even put on that much makeup, but it looks good for my little, yeah, I don't know if I told you guys. So like a month ago, I actually made the huge decision to leave my previous 10-year career for a work from home position and cut out the 4-hour commute. And now, I'll just show you, I work from home. I'm really enjoying it. I'm enjoying the less stress of the drive and then general public interaction and all of that. So I still get made up every day because I do have to get on camera with my team. I am having to learn a new skill though at over 40, which is really, really challenging. However, I think it's really good to just keep your brain sharp. So it's been kind of exciting. Anyway, enough of my personal boring life. Let's go through some of these like things that I got from the Sephora. Everybody loves a good Sephora unboxing. You did see that we got the Becca Under Eye Brightener, and I'm not too mad about it right now. This is looking promising. We did get the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, which I am kind of fond of right now. So I ordered some more of this. I use my cellar water like it is gold on earth. So anytime I can just throw this in a Sephora box, I do. I also re-upped on my Olaplex hair oil. I have it in today. This little itty bitty bottle has lasted me 1.5 years, and I have maybe 1/8 of it left in my other bottle, but since I was ordering, I just wanted to throw some in there. I also got like $2.40 back on this for honey, so just FYI, honey link in the description below. And the last thing, so I actually redeemed 500 of my Beauty Bazaar points. This little kit was on the Beauty Bazaar. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. Oh, it's so cute, guys. It's so cute. So this is what she looks like when you open her up. Oh my gosh, like, okay, so this is my favorite. I'm gonna open it first. He's like, look how cute it is. It's just this little tiny rose gold tube. And it's just a tinted lip balm. I have lipstick on, so I'm not gonna put it on, but oh, I love this stuff so much. So I'm super glad to have that. It's a perfect size for your purse. So that's worth the whole 500 points for me. And I love the rose theme. I love roses. This is the, oh my gosh. This is the rose face mask. I know you can't see that, but it's a little goopy. We're just gonna put that right back in there. This is the deep hydration serum, super pretty packaging. I like that a lot. And then the soy cleanser. Fresh is a really, really great brand, so I'm excited to try out some of these face products. I have no problem switching over to Fresh if that's what's gonna work for my face, because obviously I need some help. That's all I have for you today. I hope you had fun with me getting ready. I know this is like not super exciting, but I bought stuff and I'm doing stuff. So living up to the hype. Anyway, guys, if you could like this video, it really does help me out. If you could subscribe so you can follow all of my shopping antics and be on the lookout for my latest giveaways, that would be awesome too. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.